Welcome to the ultimate technical masterclass, where we finally combine all 6 powerful automation scripts from this week to completely transform your busy Canadian business operations forever and ever. Today, we are deeply diving into the exact Python logic required to save you thousands of valuable hours and hard-earned Canadian dollars from the Canada Revenue Agency right now. Most entrepreneurs struggle with complex technology, but our clean code makes high-level automation accessible for every single person. Living from British Columbia to the sunny Nova Scotia, we will examine the backend of the Expense Tracker and the Realtor Assistant to ensure your systems are running perfectly smooth without any technical glitches or unexpected server errors. This is not just theory, because we are building real-world digital assets that generate massive value for the growing Canadian economy. During these very challenging and uncertain financial times, let us start by analyzing the core Python libraries like Pandas and OpenPixel, which allow our script to read receipts and organize every single transaction into a perfect tax-ready formatted document. We use optical character recognition to convert blurry images into structured data points, so the Canada Revenue Agency receives accurate information regarding your annual business expenses and total deductible items. The logic flow ensures that personal coffee runs are never mixed up with legitimate business software subscriptions, which saves you from painful government audits and expensive legal penalties later. You can host this script on a local server or use a cloud provider like Google Cloud or Amazon Web Services to ensure constant availability for your growing small business records daily. By automating this workflow, you eliminate the need for manual data entry, which is the most common source of error in Canadian business accounting and personal tax preparation today. Next, we explore the integration of the Twilio API and OpenAI for the Realtor Assistant script, which allows your business to communicate with potential leads in a very natural and highly professional manner. The script filters through thousands of junk emails and identifies serious buyers who are ready to view luxury properties in major cities like Toronto or the beautiful Vancouver Islands immediately. It uses advanced natural language processing to answer questions about local schools and property taxes, which builds instant trust with every prospective Canadian client who is looking for help online. This automation ensures that no lead is forgotten and every single message receives a thoughtful response, even if you are currently busy hosting a live open house event elsewhere. Integrating these powerful APIs requires a secure environment and proper secret management to keep your business data safe from unauthorized access and malicious digital hackers across the globe.